Good morning from Canberra in Australia. These are our family chickens, and we've had chickens for about 23 years, and my younger son is the manager of these chickens. They lay eggs and they like walking around the garden, but then they peck at the vegetables and sometimes dig little holes. And we feed them the scraps from our kitchen, the compost, and we buy chicken food in Belconnen, which is about 5 minutes drive away, or we buy chicken food at Hall at the rural produce store. And we've always loved driving to Hall because there's a children's playground at Hall. And there are some cafes there. There was one cafe there before we used to like going to, but it's closed down now. And there are different owners. Now there are shortages of chicken eggs in the shops, and when you go to Coles or Woolworths or Aldi, they've often run out of of eggs, And it's nice to have home chicken eggs when there's an egg shortage. And we just love the rural aspect in suburban Canberra. And our neighbour has chickens too. We also have ducks. Now I think there are about 11 chickens and 10 ducks. My older son is the manager of the ducks. And I used to have chickens as a teenager on our acreage when I lived on an acreage as a teenager, and that was always lovely. So I like having chickens in suburban Canberra. At Coles supermarket there are limits on the amount of eggs you can buy. You can only buy 2 cartons of eggs at the moment due to the egg shortage. And I like eggs. I think they're much better than tin tuna and processed ham and things like that as snacks with toast. So I like having enough eggs in the fridge. I think they're healthy and much better than those other options. So I think there are 11 chickens. There are one or two up on the left there. And credit goes to my younger son for organising the chickens.